Just one quick little tip when doing stuff like this. Get yourself some baggies, a little permanent marker, and label and write down a little note for all the pieces you take apart. And snap some pictures. I'll be recording everything, so I'll have some video to go back and look at. But that should help you along the way. Alright, here we got another piece of the puzzle to this massive teardown we're doing. This is the under shroud of the vehicle. We're replacing it with the Z1 Motorsports anodized shroud just to make maintenance on the car easier. I doubt that it's any lighter than this plastic. Could be a little bit heavier, I don't know. I am going to weigh everything as I'm removing and putting it on the vehicle. Just for my own sake, just to see how much weight I've completely removed from the car. But anyway, so this has 3 plastic rivets. I think they were here. Don't quote me on that, but you'll see them whenever you're under the car. Everything else is 10mm bolts. Very straightforward, just like the fender wheel well removal. Once you get all the clips and bolts out, it's just going to fall right off of the car. Pretty straightforward. No tricks, nothing special about this. But if you're doing any of the work that I'm doing, this has got to come off.